I'm Ashton Addison from EventChain for Investment Pitch Media and the Crypto Coin Show. And today on Blockchain Interviews, we have Yuriy Kovalev, the founder of Zenfuse. Yuriy, welcome to the show, and a pleasure to have you here today.
Hello, Ashton. Thank you so much for inviting me to the show. I'm very honored to be here. Let's start.
Yeah, I'm really excited to dive into Zenfuse. Your platform has huge interest around it right now, and I'm really interested to hear more about it because I know that you have a lot of updates coming in the near future. I would love for you to kick it off with the audience with just a high-level overview of what is Zenfuse and what are some of the solutions that your team is bringing to the cryptocurrency space.
All right, so Zenfuse is a trading platform that aggregates all the crypto exchanges that are existing right now. I mean, not all of them, but the major ones with the good liquidity. For now, we aggregate only centralized exchanges, but in the future, we are planning to support decentralized exchanges as well. Once we'll find a very good way to integrate them, because for now, we cannot work properly with decentralized exchanges because we do not know your keys, right? So we cannot execute trades on your behalf. So the number one use case for Zenfuse is the panic sell feature. Right now, as you can see, the market is crashing, right? So many people want this button to be somewhere nearby. So, for example, you have 10 exchanges and you have 20 coins distributed across all of them, and all you want to do right now is just to press the button and sell all of them to dollars and go to sleep. That's it. So that's one of the major features we are going to have. But another features Zenfuse will have is the basically Zenfuse is the gateway to trading. So if you have more than one exchange, it's a huge pain to manage it, right? So by using Zenfuse, you'll be able to spend less time to do more stuff. So for example, if you want to rebalance your portfolio, right now it takes up to a few hours, right? By using Zenfuse, it will take you less than a minute. You will be able to rebalance your portfolios across all your exchanges in a few clicks. And if you want to read news about your coins, it takes a lot of time as well. You need to join, the Telegram groups of the coins you're holding. You need to check their Reddit. You need to check 4chan. You need to check their GitHub. You need to check their Medium. You need to check their Twitter. It's all time consuming. By using Zenfuse, you'll be able to analyze all these things just, in a few clicks as well. You will see the spikes in the activity. You will be able to, compare it with the price and do some, research based on that. And one of the, another feature that is coming in 4 months, I guess, is the social platform. So basically, people will be able to communicate with each other regarding the price or regarding some fundamentals of, coins. And if you're very helpful to the community, people will be able to award you with ZEFU tokens. It's our cryptocurrency that used in the platform. And the more posts you're doing, the more videos you're uploading, the more tokens you'll be receiving from the community, and the more people you'll be able, to help. I mean, the more people you help, the more people will help you. So we want to incentivize some good content being created on our ecosystem. And I can tell you all the features. I mean, I'm not sure if I can tell you all the features in 15 minutes. It's better to check our website, to check our roadmap.
Definitely.
Yeah, we can talk about all those features all day long.
Yeah, no, it sounds like there's a great bundle of features, Yuriy, beyond just trading, to have that other information whether it's the social channels, the website, the community, understanding where the value in the community is on top of just trading is obviously going to be beneficial, especially now that there's just so many different projects to be researching all day and still never know enough. And you touched on a lot of different points there, but from what I understand, on the centralized exchanges, you're already partnered with a certain number of centralized exchanges, and you can just connect your APIs in and trade all of them on Zenfuse really easily. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. And we are planning to put our so we want to be able to put our service into Binance data center, KuCoin data center, in order to execute trades even faster. So for right now, the delay is about 50 milliseconds, 100 milliseconds. But when you like multiply it to like millions of users, right, the delay may be kind of a bit more. So it's better for us to be located at their data centers. I talked to the representatives of the exchanges, and they agreed to. So basically, we will be able to put our servers to the data centers to execute more trades, like at the same time, because exchanges are interested in this as well. Since Zenfuse is making money for them, basically, when people are rebalancing their portfolio, they are doing like more than 10 transactions, 20 transactions in 1 second. You will not be able to do this manually, and you'll be too lazy to do it manually, right? But
Yeah.
by using those things via Zenfuse, you're basically making fees 20 times more than you did before. So basically, exchanges should actually pay us for, for doing the stuff they're doing.
Definitely. And with the platform, you have all this great information there. Did you really target it to advanced traders, or is it, if you're just starting, you only have 2 exchanges or 1 exchange, you're a beginner trader, is it really set for a specific type of trader or just anybody?
It's our platform is meant to be used by everybody, and actually it's good for you. I mean, if you're a new trader, it's better for you to start with Zenfuse, because it's like, kids driving a bicycle with 4 wheels. So basically, Zenfuse is a bicycle with 4 wheels.
That's great. And now I was looking on the platform, and it's not, it's in beta, and there's so much anticipation, it seems, from the community to be able to get access to Zenfuse right away. And I saw the wait list of tens and tens of thousands of people that are waiting for this platform. How have you gathered such great user adoption so early on? Was it just organic growth, or was it marketing, or it's just a really needed application in the industry?
The growth was 100% organic. All the marketing we had was more about the other things. And I mean, all the people that are in our community, we never bought any bots. We never did any weird stuff that may increase our numbers. All the people are subscribed to our Medium. They're real. All the people on Twitter are real. So basically, I don't know how come we have 36,000 people subscribed to the beta.
Yeah,
I was shocked.
Well, it looks really good. Like, I'm wishing to get ahead on the list, and because the platform looks really, really good. And do you have any specific timeline on, when the platform will be released to those people on the wait list?
So people who want to access the beta right now, they can just message me in Telegram or on Twitter, like anywhere, or via email. And only one reason why the platform is not unlocked to everyone right now, because it's not 100% finished. It's like 40-50% finished. So we need more time. The platform will be live in June. The worst case scenario is July, but we are doing our best to ship it in June. So only one reason why the platform is closed right now, because imagine 35,000 people joining the platform and being disappointed at the same time. Boom, we are dead.
No.
So that's only one reason why the platform is in a closed beta. And we have more than like 150 people testing the platform right now. We have a closed Telegram group. People are communicating with each other, giving us some new ideas, and saying that like this exchange is not working because of this and this and that. And it really helps a lot, because we cannot trade on all those exchanges at the same time. In order to test it, we don't have time and opportunity to do it. So people do it for us for free, and we appreciate it a lot.
Definitely. And with these people that are testing in beta right now, and as your platform is being built out, obviously you want to have it a strong foundation when you release it. I'm curious about the security aspect of Zenfuse. When you're trading on centralized exchanges, there's certain risks that you're taking when you're trading there or leaving your funds there. And I'm curious if there are similar risks or different risks, and how your team is mitigating those risks for the traders, for their personal data and their funds on Zenfuse.
Yeah, so we do not hold any keys all the keys are encrypted, so we cannot, execute them. We cannot do anything on your behalf. So about the security, we hired the best team, like the best security analysts to, find all the bugs that may happen in the future. And even if somehow someone will, hack us, they will not be able to do anything. They will not be able to execute your trades. They will not be able to know your email. They will not be able to, do whatever, because once someone hacked us, all the data will be compromised. So basically all your APIs will become different APIs. Your name will become like abracadabra. So they will not be able to do anything. And even if somehow they will be able to, they will take the access to your private keys that are encrypted. Even if somehow they will decrypt it, I mean, we are using the best method of encryption. It will take millions of years. Even if after 1 million years, someone will decrypt your key, it will be too late.
Definitely. That's good to know. And further on the security, I saw that your team is working with Certic, and I'm guessing that's what you mentioned about this top security firm. I did speak with Certic on the show recently as well, and they're working with a lot of the top DeFi platforms right now. And it looks as though they were doing an audit for you and also the token time lock, which sounds really interesting. Can you just talk about the audit process and how you worked with security with them prior to the launch?
Yeah, so we worked with Certic to be sure that our smart contract has 0 bugs, and our smart contract has absolutely 0 bugs at all. We have some minor issues like I don't know, the letter should be like this, not this, whatever. It doesn't affect the code. It's not like there will be no security exploits. So all the comments were implemented, all the changes were made regarding the comments of guys from Certic, and our smart contract is safe, our platform is safe, our bridge is safe. The only one reason why our bridge was delayed, so we made a bit ERC20 to BEP20 bridge from Ethereum to Binance, and it was delayed for a week or so, only because we wanted to be sure that it's safe.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, we don't want to test in production like some people do.
Yeah.
Because we can lose our reputation in a minute, right?
Definitely.
That's why we should be careful.
Definitely, and that's a great way to approach it, I think. And I was reading into the Zenfuse ZEFU token, and I'm curious, is it used as a utility within the platform, and what are the other use cases of ZEFU, and does it create a sustainable ecosystem for the participants that are trading?
Yeah, so ZEFU token will be used in the platform once the platform will be live. The number one use case is very simple. Basically, if you hold a specific amount of tokens, the platform will be free for you. If you hold and the second use case is not the platform related use case, but it's needed for people who hold the token. So basically, the longer you hold the token, the more rewards you have, the more rewards you'll be able to claim. The third one is the social network. So you will be able to tip to other people to incentivize them to do better posts. The fourth use case is the marketplace. So basically, Apple App Store, Android App Store, or Shopify store. So basically, people will be able to create widgets and applications inside Zenfuse ecosystem to make Zenfuse ecosystem even more useful. And so, for example, if you're a developer and you created some kind of NFT marketplace, and somehow it can work with Zenfuse ecosystem, with Zenfuse token, with Zenfuse user base, you'll be able to upload it to our marketplace. We'll check it. If there is no bugs, it will be inside our ecosystem. And there is a lot of benefits for you as a developer. The first one is that you will save basically millions of dollars on marketing. You will probably, all the developers, they're indie developers. It's basically one or two guys. They only want to do programming stuff, right? They don't want to do business related stuff. They don't want to do marketing related stuff, and so on and so on and so on. So our marketplace will accelerate the growth of crypto projects because they will be able to focus on the product that. So basically, through Zenfuse.io, you'll be able to not only trade but do many other things. And this is happening next year once we'll do our own blockchain. So right now we are working on our blockchain in the background, and it's going to be super fast, super cheap, and we don't want to stay on Binance chain or on Ethereum chain for for a long time because it's not in our control and it's not super reliable. Ethereum fees are crazy. Binance chain is centralized, so
Definitely.
nothing is perfect.
Well, that's big news. I didn't know that you're building a Zenfuse protocol layer 1 solution. That's something I will definitely be looking forward to. Hopefully we can follow up and do another video when we get closer to that. But in the meantime, you still have the waitlist going on right now for the main application to be launched. Is there anything that your team is looking for? Are you just looking for more people to join the waitlist, more beta testers, developers, expanding the team?
So for now, we are only hiring people in our Russian office in St. Petersburg because it's faster, it's easier to communicate, and because we are basically working 24/7. I don't remember the last time we had weekend, to rest. So, and it's easier when everyone is in the same building.
Definitely.
So that's why we are not. We have more than 8 remote employees, but they're helping us with the marketing part, with the market making, with all the things that are not needed to be located in the office. So if you're a developer and you can speak Russian and you're living, or you can relocate to St. Petersburg, just drop me an email.
Yeah, sounds great. And for the people that are looking to just get more news about the platform, follow along as it gets released, what's the best way for them to stay involved?
The best way is to subscribe to our Twitter or to join our Telegram announcement channel. You just need to type Zenfuse in Telegram and you'll see our news channel. Or you can also join our community. It's super friendly. If you have some issues, you can just, send a screenshot or just type something, and me personally or our community managers or our community will help you less than a minute.
Sounds good.
Yeah, just join.
I will leave those links in the description box below as well for the viewers. Thank you so much for taking the time, Yuriy, to come on. I know you're really busy and your team is working hard on getting Zenfuse released. All the best with the upcoming release, and let's follow up in the near future.
Thank you so much, Ashton. I would like to have another video in the near future once the platform is released. I guess that will happen in June.
Definitely.
So let's stay in touch.
Awesome.